didn't know about that why Lomo had come to her house, and suddenly they started fight with each other. Lomo, but please step on step to me. How can they be yours? Because till that they were fighting about their oxen widows. So again he was arguing with Natalia that how you are saying that these oxen widows are yours. Do be a reasonable man. My aunt's grandmother gave the widows for the temporary and free use of your grandfather's peasants. The peasants used the land for 40 years and got accustomed to it as if it was their own. When it happened that peasant means farmer and got accustomed means became habitual. He is saying that my grandfather has given this land to the farmers, and later then because till 40 years they were working there, so they became habitual. Chubuko, excuse me my precious, you forget just this, that the peasants did not pay your grandmother and all that because the widows were in dispute and so on, and now everybody knows that they are ours. It means that you have not seen the plan. Lomo, I will prove to you that they are mine. Chubuko, you won't prove it, my darling. Now again, both were arguing, Chubuko and Lomo. Chubuko is saying that you cannot prove this because you have not any kind of document. But on the other hand, Lomo was saying that I will prove. Lomo, I shall. Chubuko, dear one, why yell like that? Yell means Y-E-L-L. Yell means shout. It means why are you shouting like this? You won't prove anything just by yelling. It means by this shouting, you cannot prove this that these oxen widows are yours. I don't want anything of yours and don't intend to give up what I have. Intend means plan. Why should I? And you know, my beloved, that if you propose to go on arguing about it, I would much sooner give up the widows to the peasants than you them. Lomo, I don't understand. How have you the right to give away somebody else's property? Chubuko, you may take it that I know whether I have the right or not. Because, young men, I am not used to being spoken to in that tone of voice. And so on. I, young man, am twice your age. Now, Chubuko is saying that while you are arguing with me, I am just twice of your age. It means just I am a double of your age. That time, Lomo was 35 years old. It means Chubuko was something 70 years old. And ask you to speak to me without agitating yourself. And all that. Agitating means getting excited. So, no need to show this excitement in front of me. Lomo, no, just think I am a fool and want to have me on. You call my land yours, and then you want me talk to you calmly and politely. Now Lomo is saying that you are saying that the land which is mine, you are saying that is yours, and then you are thinking like that I will speak to you very politely. How can you think like that? Good neighbors don't behave like that. Step on step, Novich. You are not a neighbor, you are a grabber. What do you understand by grabber? Grabber means snatcher, hadapne wala. It means actually you are not a good neighbor. You are a snatcher because you have taken my land. You are telling like that my oxen widows are yours. So you are not a good neighbor. Chubuko, what's that? What did you say? Natalia, Papa, send the movers out to the meadows at once. Now what is the meaning of the movers? Lakshman, what is the meaning of movers? Yesterday already we discussed about it. Anya, no. Divyanshu, Raghavendra, because you are busy in changing your places. Once you are going downside, backside, then again you have come. Movers means yes, grass cutting. A person who cutting grass, that is known as give them up, shan't give them up, shan't give them up. Lomo, we will see. I will have the matter taken to court and then I will show you now. See, this fighting is now become a big issue because now the Lomo is saying that this matter I will take into the court and in court I will prove you that these oxen widows are not yours, these are mine. Chubuko, to court, you can take it to court and all that. You can. I know you are just on the look out for a chance to go to court and all that. You, pettifogger, all your people were like that, all of them. Pettifogger means clever, chalbaz. Because your family just like a pettifogger. So, I was thinking like the same from you also because you are also belong to your family. Lomo, never mind about my people. The Lomos have all been honorable people. Now don't speak like this about my family members because Lomos are always honorable, always respectable. And not one has ever been tried for ambushment like your grandfather. Ambushment means stealing or cheating. It means these habits like that to steal others and to take others' land. These all are we can see in your family. These are not the quality of my family. Chubuko, you Lomo have had lunacy in your family. Lunacy means foolness, pagalpan. All of you, Natalia, all. Chubuko, your grandfather was a drunkard and your younger aunt Narsya Mahilivna ran away with an architect and so on. Lomo, and your mother was humpbacked. Something cooling in my side, my head, help, water. Now actually the Lomo was shouting. He was just speaking very loudly, so now he was feeling very uncomfortable and he needs water. Chubuko, your father was a guzzling gambler. Guzzling gambler means a person, one who greedy and drinks or a gambler. Gambler means juari. Chubuko, Natalia, and there have not been many backbiters to equal your aunt. Backbiter means chugalbaz. Chubuko, my left foot has gone to sleep. You are an intriguer. Oh my heart, and it's an open secret that before the last elections, you breathe. I can see stars where my head. Now what is the meaning of intriguer? A person, one who believe in conspiracy means shadyantra, secret, shadyantrikari. Natalia, it's slow, it's dishonest, it's mean. Chubuko, and you are just a malicious. Double-faced intriguer, yes. Now he is saying that you are malicious, you are very harmful for my family. And you are a double-faced and intriguer, yes. Chubuko, and you are Lomo, here's my head, my heart. Which way? Where is the door? Oh, I think I'm dying. My foot's quite numb. Numb means without senses. Just like in Hindi we can say sun. Without senses. And I am feeling that now my feet also become without senses. Chubuko. And don't set foot in my house again. Now the Chubuko is saying because at the same time he was living Chubuko's house. So he was saying that now don't again come enter into my house. Natalia, take it to court. We will see. Chubuko, they will take him. Natalia, what a rascal. What trust can one have in one's neighbors after that? Chubuko, the villain. The scarecrow. Scarecrow means this we can see in film. Yeah, that type आदमी का पुतला फील्ड में जो खड़े करते हैं farmers. Yes, that is a scarecrow. Natalia, the monster. First he takes our land and then he has the impudence to abuse us. Chubuko, and that blind hand, yes, that turnip host has the confounded cheek to make a proposal and so on. What? A proposal? Now the Chubuko is saying that why that Lomo had come to our house. Natalia, what proposal? Chubuko, why he came here to propose? propose to you. Otherwise, why he came here in evening dress? Because every time he was wearing a very dirty clothes. So the stuffed vision faced means what? Dirty or the colorless clothes, because every time he was wearing these type of dresses, but now today he was in a good clothes. Natalia, to propose to me, bring him back, bring him here. Chubuko, bring home here. Natalia, quick, I am ill, fetch him. Fetch means bring, लेके आओ उसको, bring him. Chubuko, what's that? What is the matter with you? Oh, unhappy man that I am. I will shoot myself. I will hang myself. We have done for her. Now he is cursing himself. वो खुद को ही कोस रहा है. It means now I will shoot myself because what we have done. If we if we didn't fight with him, maybe surely there will not be fighting with us and with the Lomo. But unfortunately we had done this. Natalia, I am dying. Fetch him. Chubuko, at once. Don't yell. Yell means don't shout. Natalia, what have they done to me? Fetch him back. Fetch him. Chubuko, he is coming. So now the same time, Chubuko, he was looking outside. He saw like that again the Lomo was entering into his house. Chubuko, he is coming, and so on. They will take him out. Talk to him yourself. I don't want to. Natalia, fetch him. Chubuko, he is coming. I tell you, oh, what a burden, Lord, to be the father of a grown-up daughter. I will cut my throat. I will indeed. We cursed him, abused him, drawn him out, and it's all of you. Now he is saying that I am a father of a grown-up daughter. It means I should not talk like this with the Lomo, but we abused him. हमने उसको बहुत गालियाँ दी, बहुत कोसा, and we drove him out also. And we only are responsible because he left our house. Natalia, no, it was you. Now the Natalia is saying that no, not because of me, only because of you. Chubuko, I tell you, it's not my fault. Now you talk to him yourself. Lomo enters exhausted. Exhausted means tired, and he was looking very tired. My heart is palpitating. Palpitating means fast pulsation. Fast heart beat. Carefully, my foot's gone to sleep. There is something that keeps pulling in my side. Natalia, forgive us, Ivan Vassilevich. We were all a little heated. I remember now. Oxen meadows really are yours. So now the Natalia completely changed. Now she is saying to Lomo that it's our fault. We know that Oxen meadows are yours, not ours. Lomo, my heart's beating carefully. My meadows, my eyebrows are both twitching. Twitching means movement. Fadakna. Natalia, the meadows are yours. Yes, yours. Do sit down. We were wrong. Now she is accepting her mistakes that yes, we were wrong. Oxen meadow, actually these are yours. Lomo, I did it on principle. My land is worth little to me, but the principle. Natalia, yes, the principle, just so. Now let's talk to something else. Lomo, the more so as I have evidence. Now what the Lomo still is talking about the Oxen meadows. Whether the Natalia wanted that he change this topic, because now she was interested that Lomo, again he proposed to me. But Lomo now completely he disturbed, and again he is talking about the Oxen meadows. He is saying that I have evidence. It means evidence means proof. I have proof also, and I will show you. My aunt's grandmother gave the land to your father's grandfather's peasant. It means my grandmother had given this land to your grandfather's peasant. Natalia, yes, let us pass. Aside means again वो मन में सोच रही है. I wish I knew how to get him started. Internally she was thinking like that how he will start again to propose to me. And aloud means now he was talking with the Lomo. Are you going to start shooting soon? Lomo, I am thinking of having a go at the Black Hawk. Honored Natalia Stepnona after the harvest. Harvest means after cutting and gather the grain. अनाज को मतलब काट के इकट्ठा करते. Oh, have Have you heard? Just think, what a misfortune I have had. My dog Gas, who you know has gone lame. Now the Gas is the dog of a Lomo. Name of dog is Gas. Now you don't know that my dog become a lamb. Lamb means lamb, unable to walk properly. Mocha, yes. Natalia, what a pity. Why? Lomo, I don't know, must have got his leg twisted. Twisted means किसी ने उसके पैर को मोड़ दिया था. Twisted, stressed or bitten by some other dog. My very best dog, to say nothing of the expense. I gave Mironov 125 rubles for him and I have paid for my dog 125 rubles. Natalia, it was too much. Now again, they both start to fight and now they both will forget that why Lomo had come here and Natalia also forget. Again they will fight with each other. Natalia, it was too much. Ivan Vasilievich, as Lomo said to Natalia that I paid 125 rubles for my dog. Then she is saying that it's too much. Lomo, I think it was a very cheap. He is a first-rate dog. But the Lomo is saying that he is a first-rate dog. So it's a very cheap. It's not costly. Natalia, Papa gave 85 rubles for his squeezer. Squeezer is the name of dog and who has this dog? Natalia has. Natalia is saying to Lomo that my father has paid 85 rubles only for my squeezer, for his squeezer, and squeezer is heaps better than Gas. Lomo, squeezer is better than Gas? What an idea! Last, squeezer better than Gas? Natalia, of course he is better. Of course, squeezer is young. He may develop a beat, but on points and pedigree, he is a better than anything that even a Volchanty sky has got. Now she is saying that he has a line of ancestors. Pedigree means उसकी एक वंशावली है, वो जिस फैमिली से बिलोंग करता है. They all are very good. They all are very good dog. But now your Gas, he has no pedigree. उसकी तो कोई वंशावली, उसका तो कोई ancestor ही नहीं है. Lomo, squeezer better than Gas? Lomo, excuse me, Natalia Stevnoa, but you forget that he is overshot. And an overshot always means the dog is a bad hunter. Natalia, overshot is he. The first time I hear it. Lomo, I assure you, assure means assure, Vishwas Dilana. I assure you that his lower jaw is shorter than the upper. Now the Lomo is saying that your squeezer has a lower jaw than the upper jaw. Natalia, have you measured? Lomo, yes, he is all right at following, of course. But if you want to get hold of anything, Natalia, in the first place, our squeezer is a thoroughbred animal, the son of harness and seizures, while there is no getting at the pedigree of your dog at all. He is old and as ugly as a worn-out cab horse. Worn-out cab means गाड़ी. जिस तरह से एक गाड़ी का थका हुआ हॉर्स होता है, as the same like your dog is also very old and looking very tired. Lomo, he is old, but I wouldn't take 5 squeezers for him. Why? How can you? Gas is a dog. As for squeezer, well, it's too funny to argue. Anybody you like has a dog as good as squeezer. You may find them under every bush almost. 25 rubles would be a handsome price to pay for him. Now he is saying we can see everywhere like your squeezer under the bushes, and I think 25 rubles enough money to pay to purchase like a squeezer. Natalia, there is some demon of a contradiction in you today. Ivan Vasilievich, first you pretend that the meadows are yours. Now that Gas is better than squeezer. I don't like people who don't say what they mean, because you know perfectly well that squeezer is 100 times better than your silly Gas. Why do you want to say he is not? Now she is saying that earlier you were saying that oxen meadows are yours. I agree for this, but I cannot accept this that your Gas is better than my squeezer. see, Natalia Stevna, that you consider me either blind or a fool. You must realize that Squeezer is overshot. Natalia, it's not true. Lomo, he is. Natalia, it's not true. Lomo, don't shout, madam. Natalia, why talk rote? Rote means what you are this nonsense you are speaking to me. क्या बकवास कर रहे हो? It's awful. It's time for your guess was, and you compare him with the Squeezer. Lomo, excuse me. I cannot continue this discussion. My heart is palpitating. Now the Lomo is saying that I cannot argue with you about this my dog also, because my heartbeat is moving very fast and I am not able to stand here. Natalia, I have noticed that those hunters argue most who know list. Lomo, madam, please be silent. My heart is going to pieces. Shut up. Natalia, I shan't shut up until you acknowledge that Squeezer is 100 times better than your guess. Lomo, 100 times worse. Be hanged to your Squeezer, his head, eyes, shoulder. Natalia, there is no need to hang your silly guess. He is a half dead already. Now the Natalia and both, they wanted to show like that our dog is superior than others. Natalia, there is no need to hang your silly guess. He is half dead already. Lomo, shut up. My heart is bursting. Natalia, I shan't shut up. Chubuko, what is the matter now? Natalia, Papa, tell us truly which is the better dog, our Squeezer or his guess. Lomo, Stepan Stepanovich, I implore you to tell me just one thing. Is your Squeezer overshot or not? Yes or no? Now the Lomo is asking to Chubuko. Then tell me one thing. Your Squeezer is overshot or not? Chubuko, and suppose he is, what does it matter? He is the best dog in the district for all that, and so on. But the Chubuko is also saying like that, yes, but my Squeezer is better, is the best dog in the district. Lomo, but is not my guess better? Really now? Chubuko, don't excite yourself, my precious one. Allow me, your guess certainly has his good points. He is purebred, firm on his feet, has well sprung ribs and all. But my dear man, if you want to know the truth, the dog has two defects. He is old and he is short in the muzzle. Lomo, excuse me, my heart. Let's take the facts. You will remember that on the Marusinski hunt, my guest ran neck and neck with the Count's dog. Marusinski is the another name of the other dog, and he is saying that neck and neck, and he ran just like the Marusinski. You don't know in that competition, and the Count's dog, while your Squeezer was left a whole burst behind, and you didn't know that whole burst behind is something 3,500 फुट. मतलब आपका जो डॉग है वो इतने 3,500 फुट पीछे था मेरे गैस से. Chubuko, he got left behind because the Count's whipper hit him with his whip. But Chubuko is saying because my Squeezer was back, because the other dog has hit him with the whip. Whip means चाबुक. उसको चाबुक से किसी ने उसके लेग पे हिट कर दिया था. So my Squeezer, my dog was back. Lomo, and with good reason. The dog are running after a fox when Squeezer goes and starts worrying a sheep. Chubuko, it's not true, my dear fellow. I am very liable to lose my temper, and so just because of that, let's stop arguing. You started because everybody is always jealous of everybody else's dog. Yes, we are all like that. You too, sir, are not blameless. You no sooner begin with this, that, and the other, and all that. I remember everything. Lomo, I remember too. Chubuko, I remember too. What do you remember? Lomo, my heart, my foot's gone to sleep. I can't. Natalia, my heart, what sort of a hunter are you? You ought to go and lie on the kitchen oven and catch black beetles, not go after foxes, my heart. Chubuko, yes, really. What sort of a hunter are you? Anyway, you ought to sit at home with your palpitations and not go tracking animals. You could go hunting, but you only go to up their dogs, and so on. Let's change the subject in case I lose my temper. You are not a hunter at all anyway. Now the Chubuko is saying just stop all this arguing. But now I understood that you are not a hunter. You can only fight with the other people. You can only argue. And you wanted to show that your dog is a better. Lomo, and are you a hunter? You only go hunting to get in with the count and to intrigue you. Oh my heart, you are an intriguer. Chubuko, what? I am an intriguer? Shut up. Lomo, intriguer. Chubuko, boy, pup. Pup means? No, here the pup means small dog, we can say pille. Pille. Lomo, all right, Jesus. Lomo. Chubuko, shut up. I will shoot you like a partridge, you fool. Partridge means? Lomo is a type of a bird just like a pigeon. Lomo, everybody knows that, oh my heart, your late wife used to beat you. My feet temple sparks, I fall. Chubuko, and you are under the sleeper of your housekeeper. Now they both, Lomo is saying that you didn't know that once your wife has beaten you, but then the Chubuko, Lomo is saying that, and you are under the sleeper of your housekeeper. Then the Chubuko is saying that you forgot that your housekeeper once has beat you by sleepers. Then Lomo, there, my heart burst. My shoulders come off. Where is my shoulder? I die. Chubuko, boy, milk so full, I am sick. Natalia, what sort of a hunter are you? You cannot even sit on a horse. Papa, what's the matter with him? Papa, look, Papa, Ivan Vasilevich, he is dead. And suddenly, Ivan Vasilevich fall down. And they both were thinking, Miss Natalia and Chubuko, that he is dead. Chubuko, I am sick. I cannot breathe here. Natalia, he is dead. Ivan Vasilevich, what have you done to me? He is dead. Now, she is saying to her father that what you have done. Yes, he had come here to propose me. Chubuko, oh, what it is? What's the matter? Natalia, he is dead. Chubuko, who is dead? So he is my water, a doctor. Drink this. No, he doesn't drink. It means he is dead. Now, Chubuko was offering water to the Lomo, but he was not able to drink water. So he was thinking like that he is dead. And all that, I am the most unhappy of men. Why don't I put a bullet into my brain? Why haven't I cut my throat yet? What am I waiting for? Give me a knife. Give me a pistol. He seems to be coming round. Drink some water, that's right. Now, again he was offering water to Lomo. Lomo, I see stars, mist, where am I? Because he was in unconscious situation, so he was thinking like that stars and mist. Usko andhakar sa lag raha tha. He cannot see clearly. Where am I now? Later then he was asking that, where am I? Chubuko, hurry up and get married. But on the other hand, Chubuko, he was very curious. Then as he saw that he is not dead, then he was telling to his daughter that hurry up, marry with him first. Get married and well to the devil with you. शादी के बाद तुम्हें जहाँ जाना है वहाँ जाओ. That devil. She is willing. Then Chubuko is taking his daughter's hand into the Lomo's hand and he is saying that she is willing. It means my daughter also willing to marry with you. She is willing and all that. I give you my blessing and मैं अपना आशीर्वाद भी तुमको फटाफट दे रहा हूँ. And so on. Only live in peace. Just only live in peace. Only I want quiet. मुझे बस अब शांति चाहिए. तुम इसको लेके और यहाँ से जाओ. Lomo, what to whom? But actually Lomo was in unconscious situation, so he was not able to understand. Then say, marry to whom? Chubuko, she is willing. Well, kiss and be damned to you. It means first you kiss to each other, later than damned. उसके बाद तुम्हें जहाँ जाना है वहाँ जाओ. Natalia, he is alive. Yes, I am willing. Then Natalia saying, oh, वो alive है मतलब वो जीवित है. Then yes, I am interested to marry to you. Chubuko, kiss each other. Lomo, kiss whom? Very nice. Excuse me, what is it all about? Oh, Guess. Lomo, better. Natalia, worse. Now again Lomo is saying my dog is better, but the Natalia is saying worse. Your dog is not good. Chubuko, well, that is a way to start your family bliss. Have some champagne. But Chubuko, what he was saying, हो सकता है आपकी फैमिली की शुरुआत ऐसे ही हो, मींस फाइट करते करते ही आपकी फैमिली की शुरुआत हो, बट नाउ आई बिकेम कंप्लीटली फ्री. हैव सम champagne. Lomo, Lomo, he is the better. Now again Lomo is saying that my dog is better. Natalia, worse. Chubuko, trying to shout her down, and Chubuko, he was trying